I love practicing medicine. I like being a doctor. My name is Dr. Thomas Hendrix, part of Community Physician Network here at Community Hospital Anderson. I've been practicing since 2010 in internal medicine, working as a hospitalist. A hospitalist is usually someone who does general medicine, works only as in the inpatient setting. There's a group of patients that comes in whether they don't have a doctor or their doctor doesn't come to the hospital. We're in charge of taking care of them while they're here as an inpatient and then discharging them back to their primary care doctor when they're all better. I always try to, when I'm in there, they're not my patient, but they're going to be my friend for a little bit. I'm going to get to know them, and so they're going to trust me that I'm there to work for them, and try to give them a little bit of power in their decision making. And if there's a family member there, I want to make sure they know my name. I want to make sure I know their name as soon as they enter the room, and I want to make sure that their issues are addressed as well as the patient or the family member or the patient I'm taking care of. Yeah, my practice is different every day. It's, depending on how busy the hospital is. So in the morning, I'm working with another hospitalist that day. Generally, there's at least 2 of us here in this hospital, sometimes 3. Going through training, I really enjoyed critical care, the hands-on, the procedure aspect of it. Kind of my bread and butter, things we see over and over again, diabetes and all the complications of it, heart failure, high blood pressure and complications from that, different degrees of kidney disease. I really like golfing. Golfing's a big part of my life. If I could golf every day, I would. I really like doing puzzles. I've almost got a puzzle going all the time at home. My son is going to be 4 just in a couple months. My little daughter's going to be 2. Probably the person who's impacted my life the most, that's made me who I am today, is my wife.